everyone, Tech Newbie here. So today I'm going to share with you a simple and quick tip to check if your computer or laptop has available slot to upgrade the RAM, or we call access random memory. Okay, so let's get started. So on Windows 10 you can go to the taskbar and right click on the taskbar. You will see a pop-up menu. So you choose Task Manager here. Okay, Task Manager. So when you click on Task Manager, there will be a pop-up menu like this, a pop-up window like this. Okay, so you choose Performance here, Performance tabs here. So there are many tabs as well on the Performance tabs, and you choose Memory. Okay, when you choose Memory, and you look at the right hand side, and at the bottom here you will see the word slots used. As an example of my computer, there should be 2 slots available for my computer, and one of them is already used. So it means that there is still another slot left that I can upgrade the RAM of my computer. So okay, so this is the way that you can check if your computer is able to upgrade the RAM or not. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it everyone. I hope that it is useful for you. So if it is useful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the future useful videos. Thank you for watching everyone.